I was observing this one mistake that every entrepreneur almost makes in their business at some point of time in their life is the fact that they launch products directly without actually testing them out in the market, without actually having a prototype or without having like a sample which is floated in the market before the actual product is floated out. So the thing is that what we should do right now, I feel, is have a minimum viable product ready that has all the basic features, which is like a very toned down or pared down version of the actual product that you're planning to launch. Have the basic features, test it out in the market, test it out with a few relatives, with a few friends, with a few people who you think could be your customers, and have that minimum viable product or MVP ready and give it to the people and see how it works out. So I'll give you an example of this. A very good example of this is when I started out Crackpot. I kind of had this jewelry. I started out with jewelry, costume jewelry, and I made a few pieces and I tested these out with my relatives, friends, family, teachers, and all people around me. And I wanted to see if the idea that I am launching, was it valid, or was it even worth spending money on. So I did a little exhibition, I did a few craft fairs, and I did a few of these I even sold them online via Facebook groups. So I wanted to test it out, so I built those small products. I did not invest a lot. I invested 5,000 in the beginning, in those, like, by having a minimum viable product. Now it is even easier, because now what happens is that now you can even test out some products with AI, generate some AI generated images and test out those products, whether people will buy them or not, list them out on the website and see whether, even if you get orders, and then when you get your orders, you can even you can make those pieces of jewelry. So now it's even easier. But when I started out, I had to actually make the product myself and everything, and then test it out. So this strategy helped me. It was easier for me, and it became it's cost effective, because you do not land up spending a lot of money upfront. So a minimum viable product is a very easy strategy, and I think all you entrepreneurs should understand and should definitely try it out. So just put in the comments and let me know if any of you have actually made a minimum viable product and tested it out in the market or not. What is it that is stopping you from doing that?